I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that will store the password. Once signed in, open Passwords. Google.com or in Chrome Go Settings, autofill passwords. This takes you straight to Manager Controls. Make sure sync is on so your entries propagate to devices and enable two-step verification for security. Now that prerequisites are ready, you're positioned to add a new entry manually or save it from a site. Next, I'll show the manual add and field mapping for clarity. You'll click Add or the plus icon to create a new password record. When the dialog opens, type the exact site URL so autofill matches later, then add your username or email. Use the built-in password generator for a complex string or paste a custom one. Strong and unique is best. Once filled, press Save and verify the new entry shows under Saved Passwords. Make sure the correct account is selected if you manage multiple Google accounts. Once saved, test by visiting the site and signing out. When you reload the sign-in page, you should see the saved credential suggested. Use it to sign in. If you need changes, edit the entry to update the URL, username, or password, then save again. If the credential doesn't appear, check that sync is active. You're using the same Google account and browser autofill is enabled. If problems persist, clearing cache or restarting the browser often resolves temporary sync glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.